So today, Carlito is really being generous in showing us how to vacuum seal a mold. We're gonna vacuum seal this part. The plastic that we use is a special plastic. This one's not. We're usually using this. The plastic that we use is supposed to be thick like that. Some use the tubes like this. They have a machine for it. We don't have a machine. We're going to use the vacuum just for testing purposes, just to show you how it's done. So right now we're going to start setting it up. So we'll end up putting material here. This is the core we use. This is a Venisol. Basically this gets laid in how it needs to be laid in, and it holds the form. And in the vacuum will actually suck the resin coming through the resin and the material. Now Carlito was explaining to me that if you put too much material at one time, like right now we're going to put a little bit of glass here, and it's already hand waxed. We're going to put glass and do this one little white spot. If you put too much material at one time, what happens is through the paint you'll actually see the marks. You'll see dimples all over the place because it's being sucked in, and then it shows all the little imperfections. So Carlito's going to show us the right way, and then basically after we make this part, we get to keep this part so we can show you guys in class. And so right now we're going to get set up so we can start doing it. So now we're going to watch Carlito set up. Right now he's putting the fiberglass to cover this piece, and we're going to start. So now you watch the whole process. Okay, so we're gonna do two types. He already put gel coat from previous. He's gonna put the material in here, and he's gonna do one with a core with the fiberglass. So it has to be loose, so when he's taping it down, so that way when it sucks, it'll suck in. Getting prepared, we're going to use two different MEKs. It's both the same. One red, we're going to use the red for the gel coat with the matte 3/4 ounce, and we're going to use the clear for this one. And basically we'll keep these for the school to do the templates. So this is the process. So as you watch the videos, you're going to see that's preparing everything. Everything has to be completely sealed with a little bag. This is not the right bag. There's a special bag, like I told you from the previous video. There's a special bag for that. And also there's a special tape. If you look, it's a special tape. We just don't have that, but we're gonna do for a demonstration, okay? So just keep watching the videos and you'll see as we progress. So now we put the MEK red one on this one, we're gonna mix it. See, if you notice, it can't be swirly. It has to be like all one consistent color. This is going to be for the matte, for the gel coat, for the red one. He's making the clear one for this one. So he was Carlito saying that you have to wet everything first before you start the process. He uses the roller to get all the little bubbles out. So first we always gotta wet the mold with the resin, and we put the 3/4 ounce. We wet that, and now we're gonna put the core. So now he's putting the vacuum in there.
¿Esto no lo necesita más?
No. Hay que lavarlo, está nuevo.
Yeah, leave it there. I'll do it down. And so he's got to keep it really good so no air goes through there. So the resin that he put on there, it's going to be sucked in from the vacuum. The red one, you can see that the resin is starting to pop out. That one didn't work out because we didn't put MEK in that, we forgot. But that one we did put MEK. So you never put the hardener in that one. That was a mistake, but we got one that I did. This is the one I put the hardener in. He didn't put the hardener, so at least we got one. It is dry. So this was only just a demonstration, but you can see how the resin was sucked into it. Normally we put a lot, but we just did a demo. See the gel coat here, and we have it. So now it's fully dried. And now, like if this was in a boat, then we'd have to wet this again and put the material on it. So this is basically now, once this is done, you don't vacuum seal anymore. Now you lay resin on here and you put the material to make the sandwich. So this is what the gel coat looks like, and then this is what it looks like, the final product. So it's sucked in all the way in all the crevices. You can see how it came in the crevices. You're not going to see it perfectly here, but all the crevices are secured. Now you lay more resin, and then you put the material on it, and you do the process like a normal hand laid operation. But this is how it's vacuum sealed. This was just a demonstration, just so you can see it, but this is what the final end looks like.